Welcome to this e-learning video how to remount the sand roller on an OMS machine. Warning: read and fully understand the operator's maintenance and safety manuals before using or servicing this machine. Failure to follow operating, maintenance or safety instructions could result in serious injury. For this procedure, you will need the following tools: a torque wrench, an extension pipe, an Allen key number 8 wrench head, a wrench number 17, wrench number 10, a set of Allen keys, Loctite number 243, a small crowbar and certificated lifting tools. Place back the sand roller into the machine. Watch out for your hands and that you do not damage any other parts. Now you have to make sure that the gear of the sand roller and the machine are in line. You can use a crowbar to gently move the sand roller into place. Put the clamping pieces back. Please make sure you do not mix the left and right hand side pieces with each other. The clamping pieces always come in pairs. Torque these on a value of 80 Nm. Don't forget to put the oil connection back after tightening the two sides. Remove the lifting cords. To get them out more easily, you can slide the cords to a side. Now connect the fixation roller back to the frame of the machine. Don't forget to torque on a value of 80 Nm. Place the waist guide back if you have this and hand tighten. Put the two light grids back on the machine. Make sure you don't damage the pins in the connection. Place the top gear cover back on the right-hand side. Put some Loctite 243 on the distance bolts and place them back inside the cover. Hand tighten the bolts. Place the side cover back over the gears. Put the pressure springs back over the connection bolt for the clamps of the fixation roller. Put back the breastplate. Reconnect the push buttons. Make sure that all cables are put away correctly. Put back the cover. If needed, put thickness plates between the frame and the breastplate to close a possible gap. Take off the key lock and switch on the machine again. Make sure that the sender and receiver of your light grid are in line. Don't forget to tighten the bolts of the two light grids. Place the cloth back into the machine. Close the breastplate and hand tighten the bolts. Now you are able to start the machine after putting the tension back on the cloth. Thank you for watching this e-learning video. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.